Hi guys, welcome back guys. I am in my entryway. So this is my front door that leads out of the apartment, my closet, and this is it. This little space is my entryway. Guys, I'm going to decorate my space. I want to do something for Valentine's. So when people come in, because I do celebrate Valentine's, I give to my children, my grandson, my husband, and my daughter. Guys, I'm going to do a little display here. I have not done anything here since I'm moving, as you guys can see. These are just some things that I have here in a plan. Guys, this is an open collaboration hosted by the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor and Tablescape by Candy. Tablescapes by Candy. Guys, they have a guest host. The guest host is Designs by Emma. And they also have some co-hosts. I will tell you about the co-hosts a little bit more through the video. Guys, so the first thing I'm going to do, as you guys can see, I'm going to show you my floor since it's my entryway. Even though, I don't know if you guys can see all the stuff that gets trapped in. Even though I have a rug on my front door. So I'm going to start by sweeping, mapping this area, and then I will take care of the rest of the floor, because once I'm at one spot, I have to do the whole floor. So guys, I will be doing that. Let me get my things situated. I will be using some things from the Dollar Tree, some things from Dollar Choice, and also from Family Dollar. Yes, guys. So let me start by sweeping the floor, and I'm going to come back and I will tell you a little bit more about the co-hostess. All right, guys. That was a job to put up the picture frame. All right, guys. The rest of the co-hosts are Buckeye Girls, Decor and Lifestyle, At Home with Lisa, Sazul, Clam Style, DIY with Aria, the Ariana Designs. Those are the co-hosts, guys. So I'm using a scarf from the Dollar Tree. I already have that scarf a while back, guys. So now I'm going to see what I put up together. Guys, this is a flower that my daughter gave me last year, and you will curl it because it's bendable. So I want to start by putting it there. Doesn't mean it's gonna stay there. I do not know. And also I have this Vantage. It's a music box. I don't want to play it. I thrifted this before my grandson was born. And this is what I keep his baby hat. And inside the baby hat, I have his first tooth that he lost. So guys, I'm gonna start by placing it here. And he always remember this. Even though he's 13, he still likes to hear the music, because that's what I used to use when he was a baby to put him to sleep. So that's something that he will enjoy this weekend coming over. So let me see what I'm going to do at the center, and I'm going to bring you guys with a little bit of more progress. Remember, this is Decorate My Space, and it's going to be a Valentine display. Well, guys, I took out the big flower. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I put one of my big, when it's not too big. I have bigger. Here, guys, these are the little pens that you can find in Family Dollar. So I got a couple of these, so I just put them in there because of the glitter, as you guys can see. And I'm always losing my pens, or they'll be taking them. So flower, nobody's gonna take it from me. So guys, I got that there. I put them there. And also, these are from Family Dollar. They come with the vase, but they were broken. They only have these ones left over there. And I asked the girl, and she gave it to me for $1 each. They usually $3.99 with the vase. So I pay $1 each for them. So I want to stick one here. I think I'm going to go with the pink, because I have red flowers on its side. So yeah, guys, I want to do that. I don't know if to change, leave the vase white or change it pink. I don't know. I'm gonna show you the other vase, guys. Let me know, what do you guys think? And if you guys tell me, I will change them. This is the one that I wanted to use, but I figured there's pink in there, there's pink there, this is pink, so I want to leave it like that. At least otherwise you guys tell me to change it. So guys, what else can I put in here? Let's see. What do I have in my box? Oh, I know what I have in my box. I have this. I got this at the Family Dollar. $3 is double heart. So I will place this here. Let me cut this thing off. Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys, I am back. So here's my heart. I will put it right in front of the... No, I don't think I want to put it on this side here. And also, I got this little note from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. So I will place one in each side of the flowers. So this is just going to be a Valentine's display. Let's see, what else do I have? I also have this. This is the garland, which I have from Family Dollar. So, guys, and I only pay, I believe it was $1.99. So look at how long it is. It is supposedly, it says is, let's see. I think it said it's 6 to 10 feet. I don't know. But yeah, I got this as well. So it's all right. So I think I will place it in here as well. Let's see, how am I going to do this? Because I want it to be very Valentine. So yeah, guys. Just a little something, you know, for my grandson to enjoy. Because my children are big. I used to do things like this for my grandkids. I mean, for my children when they were little. So I know that he will enjoy it. What do you guys think? I will bring you guys close. I also have these roses. These are $1.25, and I got this one from, as well, I got this one from Family Dollar. So let's see. This one's the light up. So I think I will place them in here as well. I want to thank the host and all the co-hosts for hosting this collaboration. I have more of these flowers, guys, but I packed them away in the boxes in there, and I didn't want to deal with the box today. But I will be taking them out and adding them as well. So, oh guys, I also have, which I gotta show you, which you get them Family Dollar, and they are $1.25, which I know you guys are gonna like. I will show you that. They are the lights are bigger than what you get on the Dollar Tree. So I think I will place this one as well here. I think I'm gonna put this one in the back, and I'm gonna hide the battery box behind the heart shape. So I will place this here. And I also got some other ones, but for now, I think this is plenty of Valentine. Guys, also, if you want tips and healthy diets, well, not diet food, but healthy meals prep, guys, check out our Get Back and Track Fit for Life. I will link the video in the, I don't know if it's going to be over here, but in the card above. So guys, and it's an open collaboration. So guys, check it out and you could learn some new things. I also do fitness. I have not done fitness in the 2 videos, but my next video I will be doing fitness, showing you guys some exercise that you could do in the gym. All right, guys, let me bring you guys close. Well, guys, there's the picture frame. I thrifted a picture frame a while back. And here is my display. I will turn off the lights and I show you with the lights on, with the lights off, and you guys can see the little lights and the flowers. Like I said, guys, I do have more flowers, but I gotta look for them and I will place them in there. And then I also have this little heart in here. I don't know, guys, tell me the heart or the red heart. And there's my display. And guys, this is Decorate My Space. Guys, I want to thank you for being here with me and all your support. And I'm going to leave it like I always say, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you and Debbie also loves you too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye, guys.